Hello and welcome to another update on XRP. Yeah, the market is moving. XRP is not moving as much yet, but these things can happen very quickly on the XRP chart. For now, XRP is still holding in our range without any clear upside breakout confirmation. So we are still, let's say, holding here between key levels, between the April low located at around $1.57 and the $3.40 swing high. And I mean, this could still morph into a triangle. There are many ways how this could unfold overall. I shared with you a few scenarios in previous videos, like an ABC pattern is possible, and if we break below $1.21, so first below the April low and then below the $1.21 level, which is the 50% retracement, we might be dealing with a larger wave too. If we break the April low but hold $1.21, then it could simply be a reset of this fourth wave. But overall, the scenarios I'm tracking are bullish overall, yeah. So the idea remains here that we're dealing with a fifth wave to the upside. Yeah, as long as the April low is holding at least. On the smaller time frame, we will now in a minute talk about some micro support levels that give us an even earlier warning. You know, we don't want to wait until the April low is broken to call something is broken. Okay, so however, you know, where should it go to? You know, which levels should be reached? Now, $5, $4.20 or $4.20 is the first level that we can watch if the market breaks above $3.40. Above that level, we've got $5 and $5.65 as next relevant upside targets. For now, the pressure remains up, especially as long as we're holding above that $1.20 level. Now, let us also take a look at the XRP short-term chart, because this is what a lot of you are interested in. And currently, what I'm tracking here, I'm going to zoom in straight away. If you watched previous videos, then you know the overall context. We're tracking two support. Well, there is a micro support area and a micro resistance area. And you can see that as a range, really. I mean, we have micro support between $2.15 and $2.31. And we have micro resistance between $2.48 and $2.61. The market is just moving between support and resistance right now, without any clear evidence that there is an upside breakout or anything, right? If the upside pressure in the sector continues, XRP might take the direct pathway higher, and a break above $2.62, the 88.7 retracement could be seen as a first breakout attempt. For now, the short-term trend seems to be up, especially from the Monday low. So as long as the Monday low is holding, we could go higher, yeah. And that might even be already in the C wave or just in the blue B wave. The risk is that in this red zone between $2.48 and $2.62, the blue B wave forms a top. At least it's something we can watch for, but it would take minimally a break below a previous swing low to confirm a top and the start of the C wave down. So if it just keeps going, we might be in the C wave to the upside, yeah? So let me explain that. So obviously somewhere in this support region, this is the B wave support area, yeah? I mean, we can get another low, but overall, that B wave could be complete, right? So if we now see a break above resistance, that would be our C wave rally to the upside, which can take us potentially quite directly towards the $3.30 to $3.40 level, which is around the all-time high area. If the rally remains a three-wave move and we get rejected, break here below $2.31 and then also $2.28, yeah, it's likely that the blue wave B has formed a top and we're moving down in blue wave C, targeting the $1.79 to $2.06 area. So for now, short-term momentum is up, and these four Fibonacci levels need to be watched for potential reactions. Yeah? But bear in mind, both scenarios are bullish. There is no sign that a more substantial top has formed. That's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.